Hello, hi, Namaskar. I'm Chef Robin Singh Nepali. Today I'm going to teach you how to make tamago. Let's start. Tamago. Subscribe this channel. Press the bell button. Let's begin. So we're gonna make tamago Japanese omelette. So recipes you can see on the screen. X5 dashi 80 ml fish stock, that is fish stock made with water and fish flag means bonito flag. Salt 1 teaspoon, sugar 2 teaspoon, mirin 3 teaspoon, and soya 2 teaspoon. You can use sake as well, cooking sake if you want. After all this you need to mix well. Don't forget to subscribe, and channel name is Chef of Life Culinary Art. So let's start. So guys, you need first brush, tissue, tamago pen, oil, chopstick. Guys, watch what I'm doing here. Watch until the video. What I'm doing here, just follow and do proper way. Cook on shallow fire, not on heat fire. If you cook on heat, it will be burned. Very sensitive. If you will cook on high fire, it will be burned, then it looks like not good. So you need to be careful while making this tamago. And in a नेपाली दाजुभाइहरूलाई भन्न चाहन्छु कि यो बनाउने तरिका एकदम सजिलो छ, ट्राई मात्र गर्नुपर्छ। ट्राई गरेपछि बनाउने धेरै गाह्रो छ। तामाको जापानिज अमलेटलाई भनिन्छ। You enjoying from this video and hope you learn something from here. So don't forget to subscribe this channel and don't forget try to make this tamago at your restaurant, hotel, anywhere, at home as well. If you will not try, you cannot make this tamago, so you need to try. So thank you so much for watching. Then keep in touch for new video in future. For that you need to subscribe this channel and press the bell button, and then you will get notification from my new videos. So guys, thank you so much again. सो नेपाली दाजुभाइ सबैलाई मेरो तर्फबाट नमस्कार। म रबिन, घर मेरो अर्खाँची जिल्ला, हाल धुवाकता। अनि थ्याङ्क यू सो मच तपाईँहरूले हेरिदिनु भयो। अब तपाईँहरूले पनि ट्राई गर्नु कसरी बनाउने हामीलाई यो जो भिडियोमा फलो गर्नुहोस्, अनि फलो गरेर हेर्दै जानुहोस् अन्टिल द भिडियो, अनि ट्राई गर्नु कसरी बनाउने अनि तपाईँले इजिली बनाउन सक्नुहुन्छ। अनि धन्यवाद दिन चाहन्छु। फ्युचरमा अब तपाईँ कनेक्ट किप इन टच रहनु होला, अनि सब्सक्राइब गरेर बेल बटनलाई प्रेस गर्नु, अनि नोटिफिकेसन पाउनुहुन्छ। थ्याङ्क यू सो मच फर वाचिङ। किप इन टच। गुड डे।